Hello guys, my name is Ivan Ngure and welcome again to another DIY episode. So what happens when you've been given an art project and you need to use your color pens? But the problem is that they will not write. They've become so dry, they've become so faint, and whatever you try, any color you try, it doesn't seem to work. You have a deadline and nothing seems to work. You get so frustrated, you get so angry, and you even end up throwing them in the dustbin. Calm down, guys, calm down. All you need is a pair of pliers, a dropper, thinner or kerosene. Begin by opening the tail end of your pen using the pliers, and then pick your dropper, pick some kerosene, and then you drop in some little drops in there. Tap your pen a little bit, and then you'll notice that the ink will sink down, and now your pen will write as new. And also remember to keep in mind that when you're putting in the drops of thinner or kerosene, don't put in so much because you might end up bloating the pen. So once you've done that on your pen, and when it doesn't write anymore, then you can go on and now add ink. But don't rush to throw away your pens. Save some money, be creative. Thank you so much guys for watching. I have been your amazing host Ivan Ngure. I hope you learned something today that you will apply in your work. And in the process, you might save a pen, but not only that, you might also save some pennies. Thank you so much. If you've not subscribed, please consider subscribing down below for great content. And also remember to check in the description down below for all the materials and tools I have used in this project. Thank you so much. Until next time, bye bye.